Hi YouTube team. This site Anji Lakshmi Korapadu Tribulke home. My channel got disable monetization option and I got a reused content and my all content. Hope your rewarning. Verify my details and content in my channel and I am strongly telling that I won't use any others content and I won't copy anything from others. All the content which have in my channel is my own content which I personally recorded from my camera with lot of efforts. Your consider my request and re-enable my monetization option on my channel. Sir, I use YT Create video editing app to edit my YouTube videos. This is YT Create editing app. I edit images, thumbnails and posters in PixarLab and after edit my thumbnail, click to save button. It's save to view. Successfully save my device. Sorry. Sir, I get the information need for me YouTube videos from a Google and other sources like sir, we uploaded my YouTube videos from YT Studio app and we also update titles and tags description of my videos from YT Studio itself. This is YT Studio app. Thank you. Please help me. Thank you, sir.